Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, what to look for when buying a used kayak. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. There are times when used kayaks bring you a real deal that suits your budget than brand new ones. However, when you are planning to buy a used kayak, there are some things that you need to look for in order to make sure that you are getting a good deal. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, type of paddling. Number 2, valuation, price comparison and budget. Number 3, testify and paddling the kayak. Number 4, history of the used kayak. Number 5, attention on every single damage. Number 6, types of possible damages. Number 7, condition of the accessories. Number 8, research of the selected model and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.